Welcome back to the OpenVINO channel. On the previous video, we saw how to set up the CVAT, which is a free open source annotation tool, how to load the data in, how to annotate it, and how to generate the labels file. On this video, I'd like to show you how to use OpenVINO for automatic annotation. All you'll have to do is to review the results and correct them where needed. I go again to the CVAT GitHub page, installation guide. Under advanced topics, you can see the additional components. We'll need the auto annotation using DL models in OpenVINO toolkit format. We basically need now the installation file of OpenVINO. It says here OpenVINO R5, but any version should work. I'll just Google for OpenVINO Linux, and I will just save the zipped installation file. The OpenVINO installation file should be located at cvat/components/OpenVINO. There is a different kind of Docker container we need to build. Let's go back to the CVAT directory. This is important, write it from there, and run the Docker. And we are almost ready to go. In order to perform auto annotation, we need 4 files. The first 2 are the IR files, .bin and .xml, for the OpenVINO DL model we'd like to use. The third one is a labels file, and the fourth one is an interpretation script in Python. This file is required to convert the output of the neural network to a result, to a label that CVAT can understand. My data video is a crossroad, so I can use the first example. You already know how to get the models from our model zoo. Check out video 20. And I will place the 4 files under CVAT/utils/auto annotation. The 2 IR files, in this case person, vehicle, bike detection, the labels _map JSON file with the labels that I just copied from the example, and you can edit for your own model, and the interpretation script which I just copied from the example. The 4 files are in place, CVAT is running in the Docker container, and I open the Chrome browser. Please note that it's only working on Chrome, and we can get to work. Let's open the job. You can see that nothing is annotated yet. Now, let's go to the model manager, give a name to our model, and select the 4 files. And hit submit. Now, we can run auto annotation. We chose the model to use, and we need to map the model's labels to our labels. A person is a person, and a car will be what the model detects as vehicle, and we hit start. The annotation runs on CPU on all the frames in the dataset. And when we open the video file, we see lots of annotations already there. Some of them will be wrong and we'll need to delete them. Some of them will need a minor correction, but as you can see, 90% of the work was done automatically. Now I'm going to open the menu, save my work, this is important, and dump the annotation to any format you like. So, we saw how to install the OpenVINO as a component to CVAT, how to set up the auto annotation files, and how to run auto annotation. As you saw from the example, I can basically save you most of the work, of course, if your deep learning model is good enough. CVAT is a great add to OpenVINO offering. It is free and easy to use and can save you a lot of effort. Subscribe to our channel to get more videos like this. Thank you.